Sleman, Ngaklik.
Oh, Sleman. Okay. Yeah, here Palembang also going to rain. How about the others, Rizky? Ora kan? Semoga saja koneksinya masih tetap nyambung ya 30 menit ke depan. So we just have a meeting 40 minutes for Zoom meeting. After that, we go to the Waskita to what is it? To do the exercise, or I will give you the assignment there. The topic, as you can see in Waskita, I have uploaded the materials. The materials we are going to discuss today is verb phrase. Okay. Anyone knows about verb phrase? Ada yang tahu the definitions or the functions of the verb? As you can see here, verb we have learned. Is that right? Kita udah belajar belum verb phrase? Belum ya? Ini meeting kedua kita. Is that right?
Yes, it's our second meeting.
Okay, verb phrase. Anyone knows what is that? Prasa kata kerja. What you need to know is what is verb. Okay, when you know about the verb, you will know about what is verb phrase. Ada yang tahu? Have you ever learned about verb phrase? Ada yang tahu what is verb phrase? No? Hello?
Kelompok kata kerja.
Okay, group of words, yeah. Anyway,
Yes,
you can download the materials because before we have a meeting, I will always upload the materials and the Zoom link. Jadi tadi kayak Maya sebentar nih saya mau share linknya sebentar because probably you will not check the what is that, the link from Waskita. Okay. Jadi walaupun Miss lupa share di WhatsApp group, you can check through Waskita, alright? So today we are going to discuss verb phrase, the definitions, the function, and then the compositions of the verb phrase itu sendiri. Okay, Prisi Manual, Rizky Azizil. Yes, go on. Give me a student number. Okay, then. The definitions of the verb phrase, a group of words, okay, working together to create the verb. Jadi, a group of word, kelompok kata yang bekerja sama untuk membentuk kata kerja. Consists of a helping verb and main verb. Ada yang kata kerja pembantu, ada juga yang kata kerja utamanya. Itulah yang namanya prasa kata kerja. Prasa kata kerja itu bisa saja kata kerja itu sendiri atau juga kadang ditambahin a helping verb. Oke. Nah, composition-nya apa nih helping verb itu? Composition-nya, komposisinya apa aja? It consists of the modal verb, any auxiliaries, and main verb. Anyone still remember what is modal verb? What kinds of modal verb? Because we have learned last semester. Kita udah belajar ya modal verb. Anyone knows? Just give me the response. Can you hear me?
It's me.
Okay, what is modal verb? Ada yang tahu contoh-contohnya? Hello? Is that about my connections?
Hello?
Since you have no response. Yang lain kemana ya? Kok Fajar semua? Please turn on your camera if you have no problems with the connections. Ini mungkin ada yang sambil tidur, ditinggalin aja. You join the Zoom meeting. But
Miss,
you
I'm so
never...
sorry. For I cannot on cam
Open the
because
camera.
I'm not fit today.
Okay. So how about the others? I cannot hear the others, only Fajar ya. I don't know this class. Kelas ini yang paling nggak memberi misrespon dari semester lalu itu hanya Fajar. Kadang yang mishafal itu hanya beberapa. Terus juga Megat, itu mishafalnya. I don't know about this one. Or you wanna change to the other lecturer, bisa ganti ke dosen yang lain juga bisa. Because we are learning, okay? Kita belajar bukan hanya sekedar Miss saja yang menjelaskan, kalian matiin kamera, kalian bisa tidur, bisa di jalan, atau apapun. If I ask you the questions, if you don't know, just give me the response. Miss, I have no idea. We forgot about the materials last semester talking about model verb. Tetapi kalau kalian nggak respon diam aja, itu Miss berpikir, is that about my connections or your connections? Jadi Miss nggak tahu nih responnya apa. Apakah memang koneksi
Kalau
atau...
suara Miss tuh kalau di saya tuh putus-putus loh, Miss.
Oke. Coba Miss ganti koneksinya.
Sorry.
Di sini
Your
berisik,
voice
Miss.
is not very clear.
Oke. Coba Miss cek ganti apa namanya? Ganti provider dulu. Bentar.
Kalau kata Mas itu termasuk modal verb bukan sih, Miss?
Yes. Wait a moment. Ya, udah. Oke, let me ask the others yang nggak pernah ngomong nih. Ignatius, Rizky, Ahmad, Gusti, Raffi, Samsiatul, talk. Just talk, okay? I need to hear your voice. Bukan hanya sekedar pas presensi kalian baru mau ngomong. Percuma juga kita ada kelas kalau kelas pengganti, kalau nggak kita nggak belajar kayak gitu ya. That's about my responsibility. Enggak, Miss. Apa namanya, tanggung jawab ke diri sendiri, ke mahasiswa. Mahasiswa nggak ada yang mengerti, that's my problems, oke? Okay? Itu permasalahan Miss juga, kalau mahasiswanya juga banyak yang dia nggak ngerti. It's not about teaching. Kalau teaching aja, Miss kasih aja YouTube, Miss video, kalian dengarkan, ngerti nggak ngerti, it's your business, oke? Okay? So, jadi bukan seperti itu mengajar. Kalau memang itu Miss kasih link aja, kalian pahami nih verb phrase. Nanti Miss kasih soal, kalau nilainya 0 terserah kalian, kayak gitu. No, it's not about that. Okay?
Miss,
Yes, please.
Can my will itu benar nggak, Miss?
Yes, good. Sebenarnya Miss nggak perlu kalian bener ya, nggak. Miss karena kita masih belajar, nggak akan memaksa kalian kok nggak tahu, padahal kita udah belajar. No, that's not about the problem, okay? Yang penting give me the response, kasih tahu Miss, we have no idea, Miss, forget. What is that, Miss? Oke, jangan diam semua. Karena sebagian besar mahasiswa itu, Miss, saya lagi di jalan, OTW ke Banda Aceh. Is there but more problems? Permasalahan Miss bukan kalau lagi mau jalan ke arah kemana kayak gitu. Loh kan ini jam kuliah kalian. Kalau memang kalian nggak bisa ya udah absen. Absen. Tapi nggak bisa ikut apa namanya presensinya aja. Lagi di jalan Miss nggak bisa mengikuti pelajaran tapi presensi. Nah, what do you tanya ke diri kalian sendiri, tanggung jawab kalian, sudah bayar kuliah, duit orang tua kalian. Ya sayang ya kalau nggak digunain buat yang baik-baik. Oke. tadi yang jawab? Yang modal verb can, could.
Saya ada Ajijah, Miss.
Oke, Maya.
Kalau would,
Maya, ada your student number?
1662.
1662. Oke. Ya, modal verb itu can, could, will, would. Itu juga misalnya, I will, Arvin, could you please mute the microphone?
Miss, kalau yang should, must, and might itu termasuk tidak ya?
Ya, termasuk modal verb. Is it clear enough my voice?
For me, it's clear enough.
Okay. So modal verb as we have learned last semester itu can, could, will, would, shall, must, okay, might, may. That's modal verb. Nah, itu masih dikategorikan sebagai verb phrases. Setelah itu verb phrases itu prasakata kerja itu dilengkapi oleh auxiliary. Auxiliary itu yang mana, Miss? Yang is, am, are, were, was, be, been, itu auxiliaries. And then,
Miss,
yes please.
kalau misalnya I will protect my family itu termasuk bukan?
Ya, yang namanya kata kerja, verb phrase itu ada kata kerjanya. Nah, yang mana coba? I will protect my family. Yang mana verb phrase-nya? Yang pasti yang ada kata kerja ya, verb phrase. I will. Nah, kata kerjanya yang mana? I will protect my family.
Family, will.
Oke, will termasuk kalau
Will
family
bukan,
itu will juga termasuk verb phrase, dia termasuk di modal verb. Kalau family itu keluarga, kata benda ya.
Oh, baik,
Gitu.
Miss.
What's your name?
Gusti Raffi, Miss.
Gusti, student number?
20, 12, 1.
Will itu termasuk di modal verb, main verb-nya protect, oke? Jadi verb phrase-nya yang mana? Kalau Miss minta kalian underline, find the underline the verb phrase in that sentence. Kalau Miss minta kalian garis bawahi mana verb phrase-nya. Will protect. Will itu modal, protect-nya main verb. Okay? For example, number one.
Sorry, Miss.
Yes, please.
Can I get my presents, Miss? Belum presensi, Miss.
Why? Tadi kenapa?
Belum presensi, Miss.
Iya, kenapa tadi? Pas kita presensi?
Apa namanya? Kan ini saya lagi ada di toko tempat ayah saya kan. Lagi riuh tadi, Miss. Baru sempet. I'm sorry, Miss.
Besok-besok tetap ya, Miss hanya kasih waktu 10 sampai 15 menit lewat dari situ nggak bisa presensi, oke? Okay?
Oke.
Alright,
Sorry,
karena
Miss.
we just need to respect the others yang datang on time, kayak gitu. 18-16. Arvin saya kan. The others, yang lain? Ada lagi yang lain presensi? Sebelum Miss close ini?
Saya, Miss, udah yang Rizky Azil tadi.
Oke, already Rizky Azizil. The others? Sudah ya, Miss mau close ini presensi. Karena waktu kita untuk Zoom itu sangat-sangat sedikit untuk explaining the materials. It's not talking about only the presents. Nggak hanya harus presensi aja. Jadi kalau memang kalian nggak bisa on time, 10 sampai 15 menit, ya udah join di kelas Miss yang lain. Oke, ada lagi nih. Ini udah 30 menit kan. Ada lagi? Sudah? Only 55 students, 55 siswa ya. Di presensi Miss ini. Okay, that's all. Okay, number 1, the examples of the conversations of the verb phrase. We all laugh. Laugh ini tertawa, inilah yang namanya verb phrase. Dia nggak ada model, nggak ada auxiliary, hanya main verb. Jadi verb phrases itu bisa juga kata kerja sendiri, oke, tanpa ada model verb atau auxiliaries. The second one, Gusti, can you help me to read the second example? This one. Read the second examples. No? No response? Ahmad Hafandi?
Can I, Miss?
Yes, please.
High-tech business with more position than employees are recruiting talented staffers from overseas.
Okay, what's your name?
Arvin, Miss.
Arvin. Oh, 18-19 tadi ya?
18-16.
Oh, 19. Yeah, high-tech businesses with more positions than employees are recruiting talented staffers from overseas. Are recruiting. Di sini dia are ini ya, auxiliary, recruiting itu verbnya. Jadi inilah nanti kalau Miss kasih soal, cuma minta garis bawahin saja model verb atau auxiliary-nya, nggak usah di-identify. Kalian cukup garis bawahi verb phrase. Are recruiting inilah, oke. Number 3. Putri Ade, can you help me to read the third one?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah.
Without highly trained foreign workers, many American companies will be forced to ship work off to other countries.
Okay. So would be forced. Would di sini dia sebagai model verb, be-nya auxiliary, main verb-nya force, oke? Jadi besok kalian kalau mau nyari, cari aja yang mendekati kata kerja. But remember, ada juga kesalahan, jangan sampai memilih adverb. For example, nih di next slide. For her birthday, Selena would also like a radar detector. Would like-nya memang verb phrase ya, tapi ini terpisah kan dia di tengah-tengah ya, also-nya. Jangan langsung, oh ada would, ada like-nya kata kerja, langsung garis bawahin semuanya. No, that's not verb phrase, semuanya bukan verb phrase. Also ini bukan, tetapi adverb, kata keterangan. So you need to know the functions of each words. Jadi harus tahu fungsi-fungsinya. Miss, gimana Miss? Kalau terkadang kami ini kan nggak hafal semuanya. Apa itu also adverb? We don't know, Miss. Okay. You may check in dictionary. Okay. Yang penting kalian tahu kata kerjanya. Nah, kalau yang kata-kata yang kayak ini kata kerja atau bukan ya? You may check in dictionary. Okay, like this one. I'll give you the examples. This is this dictionary. Wait a moment. Still loading. Okay. Nih, dictionary-nya yang seperti ini, atau di Google Translate juga sepertinya ada ya. Also tadi. Also ini fungsinya apa ya? Apakah verb, adverb? Coba. Also. Klik adverb. Di sini ada adverb ya. Oh, berarti jangan garis bawahi besok. Oke? Do not underline the words. Yang tadi. Nih. Would also like, would like aja yang kalian harus garis bawahi, would and like. Also-nya do not underline. The second example, to avoid another speeding ticket, Selena will never again take her eyes off the road to fiddle with the radio. Will ini juga termasuk verb phrase ya. Take, mengambil, kata kerja juga, itu verb phrase. Nah, never sama again ini dia tidak termasuk verb, okay? However, it's a adverb, kata keterangan. So be careful about that. And then the last example, despite. Bagus, can you help me to read the last example here? Can you hear me, Bagus, 6028? Or the others who want to be volunteer in reading the example? Ada yang mau membaca?
Saya ada.
Miss.
Okay. Yes. Go on.
Monggo.
Aja, Miss.
Yeah, please.
Despite the stern warning from official Carson, Selena has not lightened her foot on the accelerator. Has
Okay.
lightning, verb, not adverb.
Okay, what's your name? Hello, what's your name?
Regan, Miss.
Regan. Okay, Regan.
Iya, Miss.
Your student number?
20, 12, 16, 30.
1630. Okay. So has lightened ini has lightened termasuk verb, tetapi not-nya bukan verb ya. Jadi besok garis bawahnya has sama lighten aja. Any questions so far? Ada pertanyaan?
Nothing.
Okay. So why we need to learn verb phrase? Kenapa sih Miss harus belajar verb phrase? Because when you want to construct sentence, you need to know the verb, okay? Pada dasarnya ini back again to the tenses. Jadi balik lagi kita ke tenses, okay? Next meeting we are going to discuss tenses. Jadi kalau kalian sudah tahu aturannya, itu langsung tahu, oh ini verbnya, ini bukan. Okay? And then main verb ada nih nanti biasanya di soal mid test atau final test ya. Find the main verb. Biasanya kalian akan dikasih kalimat panjang. Tugas kalian itu mencari kata kerja utama. Kalau tadi ini will be reading, for example. Kalian garis bawahi semua, itu verb phrase. Tetapi ada juga pertanyaan yang diminta, find the main verb, cari kata kerja utama. Nah, kata kerja utama ini terletak selalu di akhir verb phrase ya, kayak gini. You may have played this game before. May have played itu verb phrase, tetapi main verbnya di akhir ini. Di akhir verb phrase, bukan di akhir kalimat ya, bukan yang ini, tetapi di akhir verb phrase. Okay? And then computers can be very annoying. B-nya ini yang main verb. Okay? Is that clear? So the point is that you need to remember is you know the verb. Harus tahu kata kerjanya dulu ya. Nanti yang lainnya juga model auxiliary-nya menyusul. Auxiliary itu that's quite easy to remember. Auxiliary itu ada di is, MR, was, were, be, been. Itu saja. Yeah. Okay, any questions? If not, I will give you the questions and try to find the verb phrase. Cari verb phrase-nya. Underline. For example, we have been learning about the elections process. Mana verb phrase-nya? Okay. Read the sentence first and then find the verb phrase. I give you 5 minutes to answer. Kita masih punya 5 menit lagi. Go on, give me your name
Number
and then your student number. Okay, number 1, your name?
Angela Dewi Puspita, Miss.
Angela. Okay, Angela, your student number?
20, 12, 16, 21, Miss.
Okay, 16, 21. Yes, number 1, read the sentence and find the verb phrase.
Have been, Miss. Have been.
Okay, could you please read the sentence and then find the verb phrase?
Yang verb.
Baca kalimatnya dulu, terus cari verb phrase-nya. Read, okay? Read.
learning about the execution process. Apa tadi namanya?
Verb phrase-nya?
Phrase-nya have been.
Have been only? How about learning? Learning itu apa artinya?
Kata
What does it mean, learning?
learning. Tahu, Miss.
Learning itu belajar ya, study. Nah, kalau belajar itu kata kerja bukan?
Iya, kata kerja. Oh iya ya.
Okay. So the verb phrase is have been learning. Okay, number 2. The others? Yes,
Me?
Fajar?
US voter have always vote by secret ballot. The verb phrase is have vote.
Have voted. Okay, good. Always
Voted.
ini adverb of frequency ya. It's not the verb phrase. Ini adverb keterangan. Okay. Good.
Yes.
Number 3.
Saya Miss.
Yeah, what's your name?
Ahyar Wildan Maris.
Ahyar, student number.
20, 12, 16, 60.
1660. Okay.
Each citizen over the age of 18 can vote. Verbnya can vote.
Okay. The other number 4.
Me, Miss.
Yeah, your student number.
2012, 1658.
Megan, is that you?
Yeah.
Okay, because your accent itu mudah dikenali ya kalau Miss. Are you student number, Megan?
2012, 1658, Miss.
Okay, go on.
The candidates must explain their ideas to the voters. The verb phrase is must explain.
Okay, must explain. Must, that's not a verb. Explain is the verb. Number 5.
Saya, Miss.
Yes, please. Your student number and name.
Samsiatul Fitria.
Okay, Samsiatul, student number
1665.
Okay, go on.
Voters must get information about the candidates. Yeah.
Okay. The verb
must get information.
Okay. Informations. Let me ask you. Informasi. Saya harus mencari informasi. Informasi itu kata benda atau kata kerja?
Kata benda ya, Bu?
Yes, kata benda informasi. Kalau kamu menginformasikan, you inform something. Inform ya, bukan information. Inform itu verb. Tetapi kalau informations, that the noun. So the verb phrase must
get.
Okay, must get. Information is a noun. Okay. Number 6, who wanna try?
Saya, Bu.
Yes, please. Yes, your name?
Muhammad Husnan Arifin.
Husnan. Your student number?
1651.
51. Go on.
Each person will vote for his or her preferred candidates. Will vote, Bu. Miss.
Okay, good. Will vote. Number 7.
Saya, Ma'am.
Yes. Saya mem tadi.
Akbar Ramadan.
Akbar, student number.
20, 12, 1650.
Okay, go on, Akbar.
The president inauguration will happen in January. Happen.
Verb phrase.
Verb phrase
Only happen.
Will happen.
How about will happen? Yeah. Will itu termasuk modal verb, happen, main verb. So verb phrase-nya will happen. Well, that's all. Thank you so much. Is there any questions about verb phrase? Ada pertanyaan? We still have 1 minute to go. No? Ada pertanyaan? Because I will give you the assignment. Miss akan kasih tugas ya. I will give you 10 questions. Go to Waskita and underline, hanya garis bawahi verb phrase-nya ya, oke? Using document or word. Jadi you just need to write, you just need to underline the verb phrase. Garis bawahi saja, nggak usah cari ini modelnya, ini auxiliary-nya, ini main verb-nya, no. Just underline the verb phrase, okay? Is it clear enough?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you so much and see you next week. Have a nice day.
See you, Miss. Thank you so much for
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice day, too.